From when you hear the voice,
I see the face.
you don't know Chef Reid.
And Chef Alexander here.
Coming to you with one more of them video.
Yeah, guys.
And the type of video them we do, you know. So you want to know for over King and Ali and subscribe. And in the meanwhile, like while watching.
To the end, no stopping.
Subscribe while you're at it.
Drop a comment, don't forget it.
Taking the intro.
We're so forward.
So far.
Welcome back, guys. So from a see the setup, you don't know we have our next chicken fast food video. You see by the title, you'll be getting a popcorn chicken. So I can tell you now what we have. As you know, we have our water, our seasoned flour. If you want to know what we use to season this flour, check out the KFC chicken video and our deboned chicken breast. Yes, guys, I'm gonna put this to work here now.
So we're gonna just get right in here, guys. First, we're gonna bisect the chicken breast.
Watch closely, or what some people would call it, butterfly. Yes, guys.
We're just gonna use half of it. Left the next half for the something else. So my son.
Our son, portion control is everything, guys. Portioning is everything.
Alright, so let's get to work now, guys. So I cut this in a bite size. Not too thick, not too thin.
Bite-sized pieces.
I remember it's going to bread, so
Yeah.
it will take on some weight.
And it's popcorn chicken, you don't want it too, you know?
We are make popcorn chicken, not flopcorn.
Yes, guys. We appreciate the love from you guys. Thank you for supporting. Continue to share out the videos. Remember to follow us on our social media. Check the link in the description. Pictures will be posted over there.
You know the shapes. So on the see what I go on though.
Yes, guys.
Alright, so I'm gonna use up the little piece of it. Nothing now waste, nothing now that shit. Everything.
Yes, guys. Everything.
Alright. So I know the shapes. This I will go in the flour.
In the flour, guys.
Move the cutting board out of the way.
Carry down this. Carry down the water.
And toss up this in the flour.
Yes, guys.
And who wants to see the Korean fried chicken, can request it in the description of the comment section down below.
Yes, guys. And let us hear the feedbacks. Ensure you try these and let us know what you think about it, right?
You can send the pictures in our Instagram.
Yes, guys.
We'll give you guys a repost, definitely. Alright. So, see that? So the first, so I'll sieve out the flour.
Shake off any excess flour
Water.
in the water, guys. The same technique we used to make the KFC.
Water.
Water again. And we'll repeat this until all the chicken come from out the flour. Water again. And you can do this coating according to how thick you want the coating on the chicken to be, right?
Water.
Yes, guys, and we're going.
Back in the flour.
Back in the flour, and this is our second.
We're going to coat this twice.
Yes, guys.
Now do it 3 times like the KFC chicken.
I remember we don't want it to have too much weight, and it's popcorn chicken, right?
Yeah.
So this is our final coating.
And you know, you realize you don't season the chicken because it's the same KFC, same procedure, not change.
Yes, guys.
But this is just the popcorn version.
And guys, it's a good time now to have your oil eating up in the back like what we're doing here. So have our oil eating up in the back, so you don't know. Over to the aisle we are go. We don't want to get the drift, so forward. Yes, guys, so from a see the pot, you don't know what time it is. Time to submerge this chicken in the oil, right?
Alright, the same oil we used in the KFC chicken the other day.
Yes, guys.
So I don't know what going, nothing change. I don't know wastage.
And guys, you'll fry these until golden brown. Look at that, man. Beautiful, right? So you don't know, we are catching up back when we are give this a check or when it's removal time. So forward. Yes, guys, so we are gonna just give this a check.
Coming together nicely.
Yes.
Look at that.
Remember, guys, we're working for golden brown. We're not there yet, so it still need a little bit more cooking, right? So next time we're coming back here, it's removal time. We'll soon come. Yes, guys, from a see we again, a removal time. Don't know how that go. Look at that. Beautiful, right?
You gotta go drain first.
Yes, guys, and we're gonna place this on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. Beautiful, right? So you don't know what time it is. Time for the plating, guys. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers. Spam up the comment section. Let's go.
How do you?
Yes, guys, from your see the plate, you don't know what time it is. So start drop the banger comments them. Cut that, guys. KFC at home. What do you guys think about this? I have a splash of ketchup over there.
Channel, guys, and you see that?
You want to run away?
If you don't want to see this in a barbecue or spicy, you comment it too, guys.
Let us know.
Don't make you know so we are waiting the origin. We are Democrats.
Whatever you guys want, we can give it to you.
And make the request, and you guys shall receive.
Yes, guys, and let us know any other fast food you want us to attempt, whether it be whatever you want.
You know this fine dine style, not in a box, but a plate.
Yes, guys.
Colonel might sue we.
Shh, whisper. Nobody talk, you know, nobody talk. Just go and cook it in your yard. Where you think I come now, guys? You don't know where I have to garnish the plate, right?
You can't get it to a KFC. Only a King and Ali and Chef Reid and Chef Alexander.
Yes, guys.
If I'm not Yasso, I don't know where else. Over Yasso first, we're gonna see this.
Yes, guys, and there you have it, or popcorn KFC chicken.
Take it in.
Let us know what you think about this. Remember, follow us on our socials. Check the description for the link. And that's it. Until next time. Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.